Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Hey everyone, ever wish you could turn on your PlayStation 5 or launch a game without even touching the controller? Well, integrating your PS5 with Alexa makes that a reality. It's a fantastic way to streamline your gaming experience and blend it seamlessly into your smart home. This guide will walk you through every step, ensuring you have this amazing voice control setup working smoothly for 2025. It's simpler than you might think. Before we jump into the setup, let's quickly cover the essentials. First, you'll obviously need your PlayStation 5 console and any Alexa-enabled device, like an Echo Dot or Echo Show. It's crucial that both devices are connected to the same stable Wi-Fi network for seamless communication. Also, make sure you have your PlayStation Network account login details handy, as you'll need those to authorize the connection. And of course, have the Alexa app installed on your smartphone or tablet, ready to go. Now, let's get to the core of the connection, activating the PlayStation skill. Open up your Alexa app and navigate to the Skills and Games section. Use the search bar to find PlayStation skill, make sure it's the official one. Once you find it, simply tap to enable the skill. You'll then be prompted to sign in with your PlayStation Network account. Follow those instructions carefully to securely link your accounts, and then you're almost ready to go. With the skill enabled, you can now start using your voice to control your PS5. Try saying, "Alexa, turn on my PlayStation 5," or "Alexa, turn off my PlayStation 5 when you're done playing." You can even launch specific games by saying something like, "Alexa, open Fortnite." It's incredibly convenient. You can also check your console's status or control media playback, making your gaming setup truly hands-free and more integrated than ever before. Occasionally, you might encounter a small hiccup. If Alexa isn't responding, first double-check that both your PS5 and Alexa device are on the same Wi-Fi network and that your PlayStation skill is still linked. Also, ensure your PS5 is in rest mode for Alexa to wake it up successfully. A quick restart of both your Alexa device and PlayStation 5 can often fix simple connection issues. Enjoy your new voice-controlled gaming setup, and happy gaming!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.